I'm Dr. David Balle, and we're here at Grosse Pointe Dermatology. This month we're featuring great treatments for men, and today we're going to demonstrate Dysport. Dysport is a great neuromodulator which relaxes muscles of facial expression, and it looks natural in men. It acts quickly within 2 or 3 days. It lasts up to 4 months. And it's kind of simple and easy for men. It's a quick and simple treatment, and it can really help them to look great. And so I'm just going to ask our patient today, what interests you or what kind of brings you in today?
Well, I feel that when I'm speaking with people, I have an angry look on my face when I'm actually not angry.
Mm-hmm. And that's one of the main concerns. Sometimes subconsciously, just through our intent or our intensity, or just due to facial expression that is innate to us or natural to us, we tend to frown a lot. And men have strong facial muscles, and so sometimes that can be a big frown. And we can perceive a message that we don't really want to portray to other people. So by giving some Dysport here between the brows, it really relaxes that and gives us more of a friendly, approachable type of look that is good and beneficial. Another important thing to consider is that, as you can see demonstrated in our patient today, sometimes just through the way our muscles are, we have a lot of muscles in the forehead and in this region, sometimes it can create lines like this, which we may not necessarily want, and sometimes the muscles here in the frontalis muscle can kind of raise the brows a little bit and give a little bit more of an arch brow. In men, there are important considerations to think about when giving Dysport or neuromodulators in this region. Number one, men tend to need more of the product because our muscles are stronger. And then it's important to maintain in men a straight brow across. A straight brow is masculine. Kind of think of Tom Cruise, if you've ever seen a picture of him, how his brows are straight. So a masculine brow is straight, and Dysport can help to achieve that, in addition to achieving a friendly look. The other thing that is important to consider when treating men is the crow's feet area. Men want to look like they're in the game, and they're youthful, and they're vital as well. And this helps to prevent lines that form in this area just with bright lights, squinting, or just the muscle activity in this area there. So that's what we're going to demonstrate today. And you'll see that it's quick and simple and easy. Okay? So I'm going to start by treating the glabellar area, the area between the brows. And there are muscle groups here which are very important. There's the procerus muscle, which goes up and down, which brings the brow down. And there are the corrugator muscles, which come up this way. And so we're going to target those muscles to help them to relax. So I'm just going to start here. And I'm going to have you frown again and relax. And we're going to treat the middle part of the corrugator muscle and frown again and relax. And frown again, and now we're going to treat the tail of the corrugator and relax. And so that is that area. Next, I'm going to treat the forehead or the frontalis muscle to address these horizontal lines. And can you raise your eyebrows up as you can? So some of these lines come from different directions and are a little bit asymmetrical. So I'm going to try to help to even that out. And you can see when the frontalis muscle is intact that it raises the right brow more than the left. And we're going to try to even that out as well. So raise your eyebrows up again and just kind of hold them up. And raise them up again. And raise them up again. And hold them up. And again. So that's that. And next we're going to treat the ocular muscle, or the muscle around the eye, which really looks like an onion cut in half. And when this circular muscle contracts, it creates these little radial lines. So I'm just going to have you kind of turn your head this way a little bit. It's an area where we have to be careful and very kind of delicate with our treatment, because there tend to be a lot of little veins around here. So sometimes there is an increased risk of bruising, so you have to make sure that you have good lighting and have a gentle approach. And then I'll just come around to the other side and just address this area here. Squint for me, please, and relax. Okay. So you can see that this is a quick, simple, easy treatment. You know, men tend to be a little bit less patient. We want to get in and out quickly, and the Dysport treatment is done. It'll start to take effect in about 2 to 3 days. The full effect may be there in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and it can last up to 4 months. And it keeps us looking our best, and is part of a great treatment program. So my name is Dr. David Balle. We're here at Grosse Pointe Dermatology. If you're interested in anything that we do here, give us a call and we can do complimentary consultations. And the number is 313-886-2600. Last week, you may remember, I had a Yesner's peel that was done on me by my cosmetic coordinator, Monet. She did a great job. It's been a week and the peeling is done. I was able to work every day. There was just a little bit of mild flaking that was just addressed with the moisturizer. And I have to say my skin does feel, you know, really refreshed and kind of tighter. And it's another great thing and product for men to use, and part of a good regimen. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.